Okay, so not a whole lot going on this week. Was told by, I don't know, a nurse who isn't a doctor that she thinks I shouldn't even be lifting like 5 pounds, which is a big issue, but I came out here anyway. I've got everything pretty much cleaned off now. Starting to make some progress here on cleaning some stuff off. I didn't get to the setting the 2 new tools up there. Then I went to Home Depot, probably going to buy another toolbox or so. I ended up in this back room here. I needed a little bit of a storage shelf. So I bought this storage rack. The next size up was going to be too big for the ceiling. So by getting this shorter one, it's actually going to let a little bit of light through the window. Move the shop press. Don't really know if I'm going to keep it there. Finally got my vacuum on the wall out of the way, put my other extra little bench up. I also had this workbench. I bought it about a month ago, finally got it together. Got my 2 other Vise plates I need to hook up. I'm going to run another air line so I can have air to this workbench here. The foldable, I think that went up 2 weeks ago. And then I've got a drill press that I'm going to set up, and I'm probably going to set it up right here so I can still be able to drill. Not real sure if it's going to go on one of the Vise stands, but yeah, I'm just taking it easy. I'm really hurt. I overdid it. I've been trying to lose some of this weight, and I ended up selling my Bowflex 552 weights to an Orkin guy who actually is on YouTube. So I'm just going to have to stick with cardio. I've had this before, but it was caused by something else. So when you're bleeding on the inside, it's pretty serious. So the only other option that I have is actually I can't go to a doctor because a doctor is just going to refer me to another doctor and then a specialist, and then they're going to want to do 5-10 tests on me before they finally figure out what they're going to do. And with the current crisis and me not having insurance, it's just not worth it. If it gets so bad that I can't do anything, then what I'm going to have to do is I'll just go to the ER, and one ER visit will take care of everything because they won't let me out of the ER until they know what's done and fix what's right. But otherwise, they're just going to suck money out of me going to an actual physician and a doctor and a specialist. But hopefully I'll be able to come out here and do some more things this coming week. I'm starting to feel a lot better, so that's a plus. I'm just ready to start working. And my bike from Florida is supposed to be here in a couple days, so I'm real excited about that. And I'm out of here.